Hey guys, it's Arena. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this unzipped special effects look. So I'm going to be putting the zipper starting at the top of my head and working its way down. And then we're going to be, I haven't decided yet. I don't know if I want to put it to be like bloody and gross or if I want it to be like sparkles and pretty, because we've done quite a few special effects looks in the past little while that have been really bloody and really gory, so I don't know if I want to make it more pretty, but without further ado, this is probably going to be a voiceover because I'm probably gonna have to be concentrated again, so sorry about that, but let's just jump into it. Okay, so once you have your zipper stuck to your face, I'm really afraid because I got it in my hairline and this was liquid latex and it just took me a week to get the last liquid latex out of my hair. So that's a little scary. So once you have it stuck down, it may take a couple minutes just because it is on like an awkward part of your face, but just keep pressing it down and hoping that it sticks. It may take a couple minutes, but it's not a big deal. So if you guys haven't seen my video of my yin and yang, which is half the face is gross and gore and the other face, half the face is flowers, then I will link it down below and you guys can go check it out. But this is very much a very similar technique. So what I'm going to be doing is taking liquid latex and putting it all over my face. Try avoid getting it on the zipper if you can, because that'll be a pain in the ass to get off, but whatever, too late. Lovely. So just let that all dry. And then just go in with your scissors and be careful, but let it dry fully first. So I'm going to take my blow dryer and just let it dry fully. Once it's dry, you're going to go in with another layer of latex. So I'm just putting some more in my bowl and I'm just going to go over top of that layer again. I'm going to go in with the blow dryer again. Now once it looks something like this, you're just going to go in with your spatula or your scissors and you're just going to poke little holes in it everywhere. And I'm going to go in with the third layer of latex. And then again, blow dry it. Now once it's dry, just go in and poke some more holes. Now the liquid latex is done. So now we're gonna go into the Then 9 color circle. This is the one for bruising. And we're going to take some 99% alcohol and we're gonna put it on, we're gonna put the dark red color, the darkest red color, in all of the holes that we just had. And I'm going to do it using a Q-tip. I'm just pouring a little bit of alcohol in the cap, dipping the Q-tip in it, and now going into the darkest red color and filling in those holes. Now once you're happy with the way that looks, you're gonna go in with the red color, and I'm just going to do it using just my finger. I'm just gonna go into that red, and I'm just going to put it on top of the skin. Basically, any of the parts on the liquid latex that are still showing the white, you want to cover with the red. Now once you have it looking something like this, you're going to go in with some of the yellow. I've already gotten some of the yellow on it, and I'm just going to make it look infected. Any of the spots that are super dark, I'm going to go in and infect them. Now don't worry about using too much yellow. You can always add more red on top of it, and it tones down the yellow completely. So now just go in with your dark red. Go over top of those colors and go in with your bright red and just blend them together, and then you just have a little hint of that yellow in there. A little bit blending it all together. Now you look something crazy like this. So now I'm just gonna go in with some scab blood, and I'm going to add it into all of those little holes to make it look extra gooey and gross. And I'm just running scab blood along the zipper because humans don't have zippers on their faces, and this would be very painful and very disgusting. So once you have enough scab blood to your likings, you're gonna go in with fake blood. So I just use fake blood by Ben Nye, and I just use a stipple brush, and I just stipple blood all over my face. so you have something gross like that. The really good thing about this fake blood is it tastes amazing because it's mint flavored. And that's amazing. So it just comes in a big jug like this. And the last thing you could do is you could do like blood tears, but I already think that this is pretty extra enough. So I'm just gonna leave it here. So this is how to do a really gross, gruesome zipper effect. It literally takes no time at all. You just need some liquid latex, zipper, and some paint, and fake blood, obviously, and you can definitely make this work. You could definitely make this into like a glam version. You could do like the entire inside sparkles. You could do the entire inside rainbow. I've seen tons online, so really you could do whatever you want. I like gore, so this is just what I decided to do. I think this is really, really neat and really fun and really, really, really gross. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did like it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We've already hit our goal for 150 subscribers. So now there is a giveaway contest going on my Instagram. If you guys head over to my Instagram, you can enter to win a giveaway from me, which is going to be full of bath stuff. So stuff from Bath & Body Works and Lush. So make sure that you are following my YouTube, you're subscribed, you like this video, and you are following my Instagram, and you can enter to win. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day. I'll see you guys at my next one. Bye.